If you want to use Gemini as advertisement, then give a professional prompt. For example, I will give here a professional prompt. Create a professional Facebook advertisement for AI training course. Then I will click, for example, submit. Wow, the advertisement is ready for your Facebook. I will give another prompt. Click on submit. Wow, this is second advertisement. Now I will give another prompt to create advertisement poster for a bookstore. Then I will click submit. The bookstore advertisement is ready. Check it. So this is the Gemini that we use for advertisement. Please follow for more.